Manufacturing organizations operate in an increasingly complex environment where supply chain volatility, fluctuating raw material costs, inventory optimization, production efficiency, equipment reliability, and customer expectations must all be managed simultaneously. The AI-driven Intelligent Manufacturing Operations Platform brings these capabilities together into a unified decision support platform, enabling organizations to optimize operations from demand planning and procurement through production, maintenance, distribution, and after-sales service. The platform begins with AI-powered inventory planning. Using historical demand, seasonality, service level targets, and production constraints, AI forecasts demand, recommends optimal minimum and maximum inventory levels, identifies duplicate SKUs, and dynamically adjusts production plans during demand surges or seasonal events. This helps maintain target service levels while reducing excess inventory and improving working capital. The platform extends inventory intelligence across the enterprise by providing a real-time view of inventory health across warehouses, plants, and distribution centers. Operations teams can monitor stockout risks, reorder points, excess inventory, and inventory imbalances, enabling inventory to be positioned more effectively across the network while reducing working capital tied up in surplus stock. AI also delivers advanced demand forecasting by analyzing historical sales patterns, seasonality, and product demand behavior to generate accurate forecasts with confidence ranges. Planners can evaluate future demand scenarios, validate forecast accuracy, classify demand patterns across products, and improve production scheduling and inventory decisions with greater confidence. The platform combines demand forecasting with cost intelligence to improve procurement decisions. By analyzing commodity trends and manufacturing inputs, such as copper, aluminum, steel, refrigerants, and other raw materials, AI forecasts future price movements and enables procurement teams to simulate multiple purchasing horizons. Whether the objective is to buy immediately, lock in prices, or defer procurement, the platform provides data-driven recommendations that reduce input costs and strengthen procurement planning. Operational efficiency continues through intelligent order-to-delivery optimization. The platform analyzes the complete order fulfillment process, identifies workflow bottlenecks, and simulates the impact of automating activities such as specification validation, approvals, and order processing. This enables organizations to reduce lead times, lower operational risk, and identify the initiatives that deliver the greatest business impact. The platform strengthens post-sales and warranty operations by monitoring technician availability, spare parts readiness, response times, warranty cases, and service-level performance across customer segments. AI identifies the primary causes of delays, highlights service risks, and recommends actions that improve resource utilization, response times, and customer satisfaction. To support commercial teams, the platform includes an AI-powered distributor assistant that provides grounded responses using enterprise knowledge. It answers product inquiries, provides accurate lead times, assists distributors with technical questions, and improves quoting accuracy using trusted business data, enabling faster and more consistent customer interactions. The platform also includes AI-powered specification matching that helps sales and engineering teams identify the most suitable products for specific customer applications. By evaluating technical requirements and application criteria, AI recommends compatible products, highlights unsuitable alternatives, and accelerates solution design while reducing specification errors and improving proposal quality. Beyond forecasting prices, the platform provides dedicated input cost and procurement intelligence by evaluating procurement strategies across different purchasing horizons. Organizations can compare scenarios, determine the optimal time to procure critical materials, and make more informed sourcing decisions that balance cost, supply risk, and market volatility. The platform continuously monitors production equipment using operational signals such as wear indices, temperature, throughput, operating conditions, and inspection data. AI detects early signs of equipment degradation, prioritizes assets based on operational risk, recommends maintenance actions, and coordinates maintenance planning before failures occur, improving equipment reliability and reducing unplanned downtime. Maintenance operations are further strengthened through intelligent MRO inventory management. The platform forecasts spare parts demand, optimizes maintenance inventory, identifies inventory risks, detects excess and shortage conditions, and connects asset health with predictive procurement to ensure critical components are available before maintenance activities begin, while minimizing inventory costs. Together, these capabilities create a connected manufacturing ecosystem that unifies planning, procurement, production, maintenance, service, and commercial operations into a single AI-powered decision support platform. The result is lower operating costs, improved working capital efficiency, greater equipment reliability, faster decision-making, and a more resilient manufacturing enterprise. Discover our AI capabilities, global industry experience, and over 100 deployed solutions. Contact us for a deeper discussion.